Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel where we bring you the most mind-blowing machines on wheels. Today we're stepping inside something so outrageous, so over-the-top luxurious that it redefines what a motorhome can be. This isn't just a truck. This isn't just a motorhome. This is the 2026 Kenworth T680 Motorhome, and I promise you've never seen anything like it. At first glance, the exterior demands respect. The bold aerodynamic design of the T680 has been enhanced with custom chrome, LED light accents, and a stance that makes it look like a rolling palace on 18 wheels. The sheer size alone turns heads, but wait until you see what's inside. Because once you step through those automatic doors, you leave the road behind and enter pure luxury. The living area is jaw-dropping. Imagine sinking into Italian leather recliners with a massive smart TV mounted on the wall, ambient LED lighting glowing softly around you, and a panoramic window view that makes every stop feel like a five-star suite. The craftsmanship here is unreal. Polished wood finishes, touch control systems at your fingertips, and climate control that adapts instantly. This is not RV living. This is road luxury at its finest. Now the kitchen, this will blow your mind. We're talking full-size stainless steel refrigerator, induction cooktop, convection oven, and even a built-in coffee station for those long drives. Countertops are finished in marble, storage is everywhere, and it all feels more like a luxury apartment than something that rolls down the highway. The bedroom is pure comfort. A king-size bed with premium memory foam mattress, hidden storage compartments, and smart controls right from your nightstand. You can adjust the lighting, the temperature, even the blinds with a simple touch. There's even a soundproofing system that makes sure you sleep in peace no matter where you park. The bathroom rivals what you'd find in luxury hotels. A rainfall shower, high-end fixtures, heated flooring, and a vanity that screams elegance. You'd never believe this is inside a motorhome until you see it with your own eyes. And here's the kicker. The T680 doesn't just spoil you inside. It performs on the road like a champion. Powered by a next-gen Cummins engine with advanced fuel efficiency and torque, it delivers smooth power, whether you're climbing steep mountain roads or cruising the open highway. Safety tech is also at the top level, with lane assist, adaptive cruise, and a fully digital cockpit that feels futuristic. So here's the truth, the 2026 Kenworth T680 Motorhome isn't just transport, it's a lifestyle. It's the dream of freedom combined with the luxury of a mansion, and it's all packed into one incredible machine. If you enjoyed this tour, smash that like button, subscribe to Auto Plus, and hit the bell so you don't miss more insane machines like this. This is just the beginning, stay tuned, because what's coming next will blow your mind even further.